Today, I bring you the story of the Bitcoin halving and what to expect. I've done a little research here. What we're going to do is we are going to say, yes, the halving has been completed, and now we must prepare for crypto winter. I know every YouTuber is not telling you this. Nobody wants you to know. But I will expose the truth, okay? I told you a month ago trouble was coming. Okay, and these halving events are buy the news, sell the rumor events. I was waiting for this countdown. Look at her face. I am Groot. Okay, I'm not one of these type of YouTubers that make stupid faces and all this stuff. I go on facts, and today I present to you the Bitcoin facts. Before the halving, we were running up to 71,000. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to look back at Bitcoin Cash as well. But the halving event, okay, let's just double check. Okay, on April 19th was the Bitcoin halving. Let's look at Bitcoin. And I always said that Bitcoin Cash was a harbinger of what was going to happen to Bitcoin. So once again, just to confirm, April 19th, and I'm making this video on the 30th. So this is Bitcoin. Okay, so we're going into the halving, all-time high, 72%. Or 72,000. I forgot. I made 72%. And so did my people. Links below the video. Great segue. So when we look here, before the event, everybody's excited. It was all about selling a story. Story time is what makes people rich. So the halving ticks down to zero. Boom. People were expecting, they were promised $100,000 Bitcoin. And they're waiting. We waited for a while. And then began to fall off a cliff. The violins in the background are as we await the next story. See, every bull run was precipitated by a story. Great story. We had the initial bull run, which was what I call critical mass. When your Uber driver and your barmaid, okay, whatever you call it, or the dish boy, had his Coinbase app and was talking about XRP going to the moon. Still waiting for that shuttle to take off. Maybe Elon could help that one. Okay, he's got a rocket company because that thing's still at 60 cents. But anyway, then was the Elon Musk corporate bull run. Took us to like $40,000. It was great. Okay, it was the B word, Wall Street, Cathie Wood, I am Groot, I am not Groot, I am made of wood, I am Groot. Cathie Wood was talking Bitcoin. Okay, and everything went to the moon, and then we went to crypto winter. It's just a cycle of things, crypto winter. Why do we have crypto winter? Why are we now not at 82,000 or 92,000? We had the halving, it's supposed to go up in value. Why are we struggling to hold 61,000? Because it's all buy the rumor, sell the news. 59,000 was already breached on March 22nd. When we were at 63,000 on our way to all-time highs, I still said 59,565 is going to be epic. And then shockingly, we came all the way down to 59,565 pretty much. So I know my numbers, I know what I'm talking about. So what can we expect from Bitcoin? Well, let's look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash had its halving, okay, on April 8th. Before the halving event, it went crazy. It went from like 400 to 700. People went nuts. And then after the halving, it fell off. Worse than Bitcoin. It really almost hit. Did you see the 350? Okay. Yeah, it halved. It's halving. So now we're not having any of this. We understand. We understand that now is not a time to buy the dip. Poor people buy the dip. The crypto poor. Do not buy dip. You will become the dip. Learn to trade, learn to short. I've always said I am the ultimate indicator. I bought 4 Lamborghinis in bear markets and only 1 in a bull run. And I've been in 3 bull runs, and so that means that bear markets buy Lambos. What are you driving? What's the YouTuber you're listening to driving? Ask him what his car payment is. I will proudly tell you my Lamborghini car payment. Every single Lamborghini, all 5 of them from day one had the exact same car payment. Can you believe that? From 2017. Do you know what that payment was? Zero, schmucks. All right? I don't borrow money to buy cars. What are you, retarded? My car payment was 0. And actually, when you sell them, you get most of your money back as long as you don't drive like a schmuck. Okay? So, we're going into crypto winter. They won't tell you. We need a new story. The next bull run is going to be fantastic because, yes, the halving has reduced the supply. It's true. But we have to wait now and go through a crypto winter cycle because there's no story. We have no story. The next story, I'll tell you what it's going to be. It's going to be amazing. Nation states. Remember our test dummies? El Salvador? Yeah, exactly. That was the plan. Okay? Listen, let's take a nothing of a country. Let's go ahead and use them. Test dummies. Okay? And so they had their troubles and everything. But yeah, that's going to be the next big story. We had the ETF bull run. Weren't you there for it? You just seen it. It was mixed in with the halving bull run. They're trying to pull the ETF one on us again with Ethereum, but nobody cares. Look, we know it's storytelling. Look at Elon Musk. They got 55%, had a 55% loss, okay, in sales or profit or revenue, whatever. They got slaughtered, their numbers. But Elon came out, world's greatest storyteller of all time, and pumped that stock to the moon. Okay, with promises of candy cane dreams and lollipop visions. Okay, as you lick your electric lollipop. So, we need the next big story catalyst for Bitcoin. Okay, as we slip down, 59,000 will be seen again, of course. This is the future of Bitcoin. If you'd like to know more, you can join my consultation in Discord. It's linked. Click show more below. You can follow me on Twitter. There's fake oracles everywhere. Everyone wants to be me. I don't get it. There are fake oracles that will message you. They will even copy my page and offer you a consultation with the number crossed out at $195. Look, I don't even switch the pillow under my head for that much money. Understand, this is real. You're being told the truth. You'll see 59,000 again. Don't trade on this. It's not advice. I'm telling you, prepare for crypto winter. It's the in-between. Like the spot between your privates and your ass. The space with the low. The nothing. The taint. That's where we are. We're in the nothing. And the price, I was telling people, watch as the countdown goes, right? Watch the price slip down. This was the one, okay? Now there's another one. Just so you know, all right, this is the next story, but it's too far away because in crypto, this used to be 71,000, and this was ticking down. So, the next halving will be in 1,411 days. So, probably, they might even use this. They're going to tell you we're in accumulation phase. That's why the price is not going up anymore. We're accumulating. We're in accumulation. If you're accumulating something, you're buying it. If you're buying something, the price is going up. It doesn't look like accumulating, okay? It doesn't look like 100,000. But listen, everybody who has something to say to you, just say, bro, the next halving is in 1,411 days. Boom, I'm out. Subscribe. Don't be a dick.